Hi, my name is Gabriela Quinde Segundo, and today I'll talk about things you can do in Tau and Lima. In Milton, people can do a lot of things. For example, many people go to Plaza San Miguel, mall for shopping, and if you like to exercise, you can visit one of our park, like Kennedy Park, where people play a sport like soccer, run, and the yoga. My favorite activity in June and going to Kennedy Park, which is kids sport where people can walk, read or fruits and reels and really enjoy going there on work because it's a great place to unwind from the daily routine. And visit type people can't go to La Comar and popular shopping center BDC where they can uh, enjoy a movie or have something delicious to eat. They are many options and there's always something of everyone. And take about the about activity in the town. Thank you.